Hello, my name is Johan, and I just attended the Beautiful State Youth Workshop, and I really enjoyed it. My biggest takeaway from this workshop is how do I calm myself down when I'm angry, because I do sometimes have anger issues, and this workshop will really help me calm down my anger issues. How I'm feeling now is I'm really happy because from this workshop I learned ways I can calm down my mind. Example, I'm going for a competition and I can use this workshop to calm down my mind before I go for the competition and have a higher chance of winning. After this workshop, I think I will use a lot of these techniques that I learned from the teacher in my day-to-day basis. Because this workshop not only teaches about how to calm down yourself, it can also teach you some new skill sets that I can use to teach other people also. There are many games in this workshop that are very entertaining, very fun, and also can help me learn. So I really like this workshop. My favorite part of this workshop is definitely when we have to do all the mindful breathing or soul sync, because this allows me to explore more about myself. I can also learn more about how to manage other people's emotions and how not to trigger other people's emotions, and the difference between the beautiful state and a suffering state. Yeah, thank you.